posters. Oh, it looks like my grandma's old photo album.
Kids, today we are here to learn about the evolution of Indian cinema.
Hello, young explorers. Today, first, we are going to travel in time to the era of silent movies. Are you ready? And I will be your guide in this time travel.
Silent movies? What are silent movies?
Silent movies were films made without sound. Can you imagine watching a movie without having any dialogue or music?
Then, how people will know that what was happening?
That's a great question. Actors used facial expressions, body language, and title cards to tell the story. Musicians played live music during screening to set the mood.
Who is he?
He is Dada Saheb Phalke, the father of Indian cinema.
Wow! He made India's first film, right?
Yes, he made India's movie Raja Harishchandra in 1913. Let's watch some clippings.
This must be boring.
Children, observe how actors are using their expressions to tell the story without any words. Then, in 1931, India's first talkie, Alamara, revolutionized Indian cinema. Sound brought new excitement.
Wow! How did they record sound?
Filmmakers used early recording equipments like microphone and sound-enabled filmmakers to tell more complex stories with music and dialogues.
I love the songs of old movies.
An integral part of Indian cinema. Films more enjoyable.
Can we listen to the music of that era?
Of course, let's enjoy some music of that classic film era.
They have truly transported us to the silent era, captivating us with the grace, expression, and the timeless beauty of dance.
Then the golden era of Indian cinema began, full of laughter, music, and legendary stars. Sound brought stories to life.
Hey, look! He is looking like Charlie Chaplin, isn't he? He Charlie Chaplin?
That's not Charlie Chaplin, dear. He is Raj Kapoor, the showman of Indian cinema. And not to forget, he is Devanand, the evergreen hero.
Hey, look!
Oh, I know him. He is Thakur of Sholay.
I have seen that movie. ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर. Yes, I also know. कितने आदमी थे जो डर गया समझो मर गया.
An era of Indian movie saw rise of many actors and actresses. Now, let's cherish the music of this golden era.
मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के मेरी जिंदगी सवार
ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है।
गुलशन में गुल खिलते हैं जब सहरा में मिलते हैं मैं और तुम।
The journey we have just experienced as the performance brought the charm and elegance of the golden era to life. Let's give a big round of applause for transporting us back in time with such.
Oh, look at this.
He is wearing so many lights. Children, he is, ma'am, he is also the
Retro cinema era was known for its bold fashion statements, bell-bottoms, platform shoes, and big hair defined the era style. From Zenith Aman's hippie look to Amitabh Bachchan's iconic sunglasses to Mithun Das disco. So now, let's enjoy the magic of that period.
रैप वाला रीमिक्स।
सोनी जगह पे कहीं छेड़े डराए
तो मेरा शौक है किसी को मेरा है मुझे जवानी है मुझे किसी को मेरी हसरते के वास्ते मांगे दुआ हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना
Indian cinema is not just about entertainment, music, or dance, but it also offers diverse perspectives of India.
Ma'am, I have seen Super 30. It was an